Cabanatuan was established on April 9, 1732. When a Malaba cross was placed on Pamulogan Hill, the town was planned by local leaders including Tono, whose statue is located opposite the municipal building.
Ang tagumpay, tulungan ang kapwa at bigyang halaga, wag hatakin ng pababa. Isipin wag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas.
The cultural tradition or practices that are unique to Cabanatuan Isabela.
I think yung masasabi kong unique lang sa Cabanatuan Isabela is siguro yung kaisa-isang pagdiriwang namin ng kankan nito, which is pinagdiriwang namin ngayong buwan na ito, and darating na itong November na ito, which is this celebration is remind us na magbalik tanaw sa aming mga nakaraang to improve our municipalities, to celebrate the growing municipality na kumbaga pinapaangat namin, at with this celebration dito kami nagkakaisa to prove them that na ang municipality of Cabanatuan is nagkakaisa, tulong-tulong.
Magkasama tayo sa lubungin ng kinabukasan.
The municipality located in Isabela is known as the Land of the Golden Grain and is the home of Kankanen Festival, which showcases native cakes and pastries made from sweet rice.
Bayaning Pilipino sa makabagong panahon. Halina't hawakan ng aking kamay, sabay abutin natin ang tagumpay. Patuloy lang tayo sa pagpapanday, tiwala sa Diyos ang sandat at gabay. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama.